Hi Annabelle friends, it's Jen, and today we're gonna do a paint project, an art project. So get your materials around and make sure you have a mommy, daddy, caregiver, or big brother and sister to help you. I put a green mat to protect my surface. I have feathers. I used old applesauce plastic tins to put my paint today. I also used one of the paper plates for other paint. I have a little bit of tape and paint. So today's art is really letting your child again use their imagination and exploring different materials. So the first way you can use your feathers is to dip the fluffy part into the paint and let your child put that on the paper however they wish. The next thing you can do, instead of using the fluffy tip, you can use the bottom tip, which your child could almost use as a pen. So dip that in the paint, and I'm going to write the letter A for my friends. Then you could push the flower in the paint, and you could make feather prints on a piece of paper. So just gently tap it down and you'll see the outline of the feather, and you can use many different colors and see how every time we make a new print it gets lighter with the paint. I also took a bunch of feathers and taped them at the end, and then you can use this as a giant paintbrush. Actually, that works really rather well. And the third option I wanted to show you is that instead of having your child dip their feathers into the paint, you could put little dollops of paint on the paper and have them either use the pointy end or the fluffy end and paint them down. And then you could see, so right here we're going to be adding, I'll just dip those both in, we're going to be adding blue and red, and I'm not sure if you can see it on the camera, but blue and red together make purple. So you can talk about colors, talk about mixing colors together, and just it's really interesting for the children to be using a feather as a paintbrush. And yeah, so that's it for today, my friends. I hope you enjoyed that. Lots of options to do with feathers. I love you and I miss you, and I hope you enjoy this project. Bye now.